Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. First of all, this is not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. See disclaimer in the video description. It is Monday, October 14th, 2019. It's 9:03 a.m. in the morning here in Arizona. All right, let's check out what Bitcoin is doing. All right, where's the money flowing? All right, Tether into Bitcoin at 1.47 billion. Tether into Ethereum at 793 million. Where's Bitcoin going? Bitcoin into Ethereum at 507 million. Bitcoin into Litecoin at 192 million. Let's look at Bitcoin market cap, 148 billion, and then the real volume last 24 hours is 210 million. Bitcoin market cap is at, Bitcoin dominance is at 68. Wow, 68.68 this morning. Bitcoin dominance on the daily. Altcoin market cap is at 67.78 billion on the daily. Shorts versus longs. Looking at Bitfinex and BitMEX, totaling them, we have 566 million worth of longs and 301 million versus 301 million of shorts. All right, let's look at the S&P 500. We're above the 200 moving average. We're at 2968 today, so looking good. We got a green super guppy indicator ribbons, EMAs, and something to note is the MACD on the daily. We are about to click positive. The MACD line, the blue, is about to click over the red signal line. So that will be a definite bullish signal, as we're also already above the 200 moving average, and we do have green EMA ribbons on the Super Guppy indicator. Looking at the Russell 2000, we're under the 200 moving average. Today is looking like a red candle so far. Let's look at the MACD. We are moving towards positive. So general overall economy here in the US, that's a good sign. How does it affect Bitcoin? Well, let's look at the daily for Bitcoin. We are below the 50. Look at my averages here. Yes, we are below the 50 MA, which is right here. This line here is a 50 MA. We are below the 21 weekly EMA, which is the dotted purple line. We are below the 200 moving average on the daily. So not too much joy there. But on a good note, the MACD is still positive and moving in that direction. So MACD is positive on the daily, and so is the Lazy Bear wave trend oscillator. The green line is the wave trend oscillator, and the red dotted line is the signal, and also this green dotted line down here is oversold. So we shall see. I would like to see both these a little stronger than MACD and the wave trend indicator, but wave trend oscillator look a little more positive, but at least they're not negative. Looking at the daily, one thing about where we're at right now, it is previous support and resistance and a good deal of previous buy-sell volume. So we're kind of hanging out at a place that we have been, and Bitcoin does appear to be comfortable at. Right at around 82.60 this morning in USD. Looking at, again, for fun, at the whale buy-sell indicator here on the daily. No buy signal yet. All right, at the 4 hour, looking here again, we are at a place where we do have previous support and resistance, and we definitely have some buy-sell volume, a good deal of it. So we're kind of hanging out in the 4 hour below the 200 moving average still. Big news. Okay, so it's October 14th. If you filed an extension for your 2018 taxes, well, October 15th is when you're due to file. So I found something, because I just did it, Bitcoin tax, bitcoin.tax. This actually you can put all your APIs in for different exchanges that you use, and just say download all of it, all my data, and then you can go do different tax years, and you can put out reports. The reports are, as you can see here, let me go download. You got CSV, TurboTax Online, and the 8949 in PDF. Basically all your accountant or you will need to make your taxes happen. And I would suggest doing it. There's a link in the description below. And do your taxes. And one nice thing that I like about Bitcoin taxes here is that once you're set up with the APIs to your exchanges, you can pay a little bit more a month, and you can have real-time profit loss, and you can see your taxes, like what's happening right then and there. I find one thing that does hold traders up is worrying about their taxes. Well, if you want to see where you're at live, profit loss and tax-wise, check out Bitcoin taxes. Worthwhile, link in the description. Do your taxes. Don't piss the man off. He's not playing around. 2019. I do believe the tax forms are going to ask if you've touched crypto in any way, and if you have, they are going to interrogate your ass. So get on the level with your 2018 taxes, or get ready to do them quickly in 2019. Be a professional. We interviewed Les Stroud recently about his new album, Life and Creativity and Many Things. Check it out over at radiantcreators.com. Link in the show notes. And of course, as always, I belong to blockchain education. It is worthwhile. There's auto trading, and that there also is just trading signals. And of course, auto trading includes the trading signals. So if you'd like to watch hours and hours of video and new trading coming out all the time, and learn a proven methodology that works, that I use and I make money at, and many others do, check us out. Yeah, you can just join the signals group, and you get signals which you have to enter manually. Also, you can pay a bit more and get an auto trading group where you get those signals, and you get more refined trades. You get the best of the best signals, basically, and more. And I can't endorse it enough. Check it out. Join. I'm Cowboy Craig in the chat. I'll see you there, and I'll also see you tomorrow. We'll do this again. Take care.